Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you more features of Beats Solo Pro. Wait, I'll get my Beats. So this is an iPhone and let me show you how to connect these Beats to your iPhone for the first time. So first of all, you need to hold this mode button for few seconds and then this will appear on your iPhone. Next you need to click to the connect option and then they will show the battery percentage. Then click done. Now I'm going to show you how to connect multiple Beats to one iPhone and listen to the same audio same time. First go to the control center. Okay, wait, let me show you clearly. Then you need to go to the music option, tight hold into it, and then you can see in the right corner AirPlay option. Then you need to click to it. Afterwards you can see your multiple headphones in it and then you need to select those two. And also you can individually control the music of your headphones. So in an Android phone, first of all go to settings, then select the connected devices option and then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Next select pair name device option with a plus mark. Now take your Beats and hold this button. As you can see, the name of your Beats will be displayed under available devices. Next select that and pair it. Done! Third feature. Okay. If you click once on this logo, the track will be play or paused. And if you double tap this, the track will go to the next track. Then if you hold on to it, Siri will be on. And I want to say you guys, there are a bunch of colors in this, including ivory, matte red here, matte blue, matte black. Especially I want to say you that this sounds so good, fast charging, battery is excellent. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, click here. And if you haven't watched my unboxing video, click here. So yeah, that's it.